Okay guys, as you can see, I busted my main video cam. Basically connector for the power get broken, and so what I need to do here is try to hard weld connector to circuit board of the my video camera and see if it will work. I could run it on a battery all the time, but the problem is you can't download any videos on a battery. You have to connect AC power, so I have to fix that, otherwise I can't use it. Pretty expensive piece of hardware, so it would be nice to salvage it, so to speak. So oops, I have you know, some welding materials here, and I'll try to see if I can replace the little stick inside of this connector that broke, and with something welded to the circuit board and hardwire power supply for this cam. And if I succeed, I can make some videos today, so wish me luck. Try to use some staples that used on furniture and carpet, which is big enough to be used as the middle part of connector, but I don't know if it will work or not. It goes inside okay, but I need to connect it right here. The little piece keep falling on me. Okay, this is way too big stuff for what I'm doing. Oops. Yeah. This is what I need. Actually, it looks okay, I think. No. Now it's look okay. Need some power. Okay. first I need to connect okay. Alright, let's see. Oops. It's went off. Oh, actually that's actually alright because I have no battery. Yeah. It doesn't seem that connection is perfect. Cool. Yep. I can assemble it back. Alright guys, I'll make some more videos.